Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and today we're unboxing and reviewing this microphone system made by Phenyx Pro. Now this is a $128 microphone system that you can find on Amazon. Links will be in the description below. And if you guys remember, previously I went ahead and reviewed a mixer made by Phenyx Pro, and I was pretty impressed by that mixer. So I'm expecting the same out of this microphone system. I'm probably going to be very impressed by it. So let's go ahead and begin with showing you around the box. So you can see here, model number right here, PTU-71. Now on Amazon, it'll be PTU-71A, and then there will also be PTU-71B. In this case, we have PTU-71A. It's the exact same thing, just they have an A for some reason on the model number on Amazon. Anyways, it's the exact same thing that I'm going to be showing in this video. Here, you can see mid-level UHF dual channel wireless microphone system and up to 100 channel selections. All right. And then down here, you can see 1-year warranty. So that's pretty good. Designed in US. On the side here, we have, some contact emails and also telling about the warranty. 1-year unlimited warranty. Yeah, visit our website to register your product. All right, let's go and see what's on the other side. Okay, it shows what comes with the box, or comes in the box. 1 handheld, 1 headset, and 1 lapel. Okay, I believe that's this right here. Pretty sure. And then 1 body pack. Again, pretty sure that's this. I don't know. I'm going to have to see. And then 2. Okay, so this is showing that we only have 1 microphone, 1 headset, 1 microphone, and then 1 body pack, and then 2 handheld. So it looks like they do have the same box for each of these, but in this case we have this one here. So there's that. Here is the label. If you want to take a look at that, there you go. Then also on the back here we have a bunch of specifications on the receiver, stuff like that. There you go. If you want to look at that, go ahead and pause the video now. Here we have some info about the receiver, the handheld and body pack transmitter. There's all that, and then some other things over here, box contents, and then features. So there you go. I guess we'll go in and get into this now. So let's go ahead and flip it around. And how do you get into this? Okay, so it looks like you pull here, or no, you pull on the top, don't you? Yep. All right. So you pull out here, and go ahead and pull this. And okay, looks like we have some foam. And then here it all is. So we have a like it or not like it. Yeah, so probably if you don't like it, a way to contact them. Here's an owner's manual, sorry. The antennas, which obviously go onto the back of the main box here. I'm not quite sure what to call that. Receiver, I would assume. So there's the antennas. And then we also have the microphones here. So I'm going to take this one out here. There it is. I'm going to say it doesn't come with batteries. And okay, I don't know. I'm gonna have to find out how to put batteries in this thing. Actually, let's try turning it on. Yep, all right, didn't come with batteries, no surprise. Go and screw this back on. Or actually, no, it did come with batteries. Okay, I didn't even notice that. It does come with batteries. They're just off to the side and not installed. So there you go. Never mind. It does come with batteries, so that's pretty nice. We also have here the, what is this? This is the headset. There's that. Then we also have here an adapter, cord, whatever you want to call it, power cord, and another pair of batteries, I would assume, to maybe power this thing here, which this is the body receiver, whatever you want to call it. Again, I don't know right wordage for all this. You can see Phenyx right there. Okay, so yeah, this is the Bodypack transmitter here. There's that. You can see your ports there, power button, antenna. And then we also have the microphone here, which would obviously plug into the receiver. And then here is the main product right here. This is, again, I want to call it a receiver. I don't know if that's, again, the right word for it. Here it is. You can see dual wireless microphone system, volume knobs here, model number there, and all the buttons and stuff. Screen in the center. There you go. Let's go and see what's on the back. We have mixed out, antenna B, balanced B, balanced A, and then the other antenna port, and then a power in. So yeah, there it is. I guess what I'll go and do now is plug this up and test it out, go and see how it works. All right, so before that, I actually want to make a correction. I was wrong about the price by just a few dollars. The one that I'm showcasing here is actually $134. Now, the difference between them is that the lower priced one, I believe $128, just comes with this and then the two microphones. But this one comes with this thing here, one normal size microphone, the transmitter, the Bodypack transmitter, and also the headset, along with the other little mini microphone here that plugs into a transmitter. So I was wrong about that. Sorry, it's $134. So this is the slightly higher priced one. Again, it just comes with a few extra things. So that's, as far as I can tell, the only real difference. Anyways, now I'll go and plug this thing up, test it out, see how it works. All right, so in front of me, I have a speaker, which the microphone is hooked up to the amp that is driving the speaker here. There's also one to the left. It's out of frame though, but they're both connected, and it is, I just tested this a second ago, and it is working in stereo, stuff like that. So I have the normal big microphone connected right now, and I also have the small little one connected to the transmitter, also known as the one that you can just clip to your shirt, stuff like that. So I'm gonna go over here off to the side where I normally record my videos right here. This is, I'd say, 5 feet away, and I'm going to talk into the normal big microphone right now. In this case, volume is up all the way on both. So I'm gonna go and talk into the big microphone first. All right, so this is what it sounds like. As you can tell, it does sound pretty good in my opinion. Again, let's go and see here. I'm about 10 feet away from the receiver right now, aka the thing that you plug into a wall. Again, I don't know the exact right word for it, but that's what I'm going to call it. Anyways, as you can tell, it is working just fine, and in my opinion, it does sound pretty good. Volume isn't up all the way on the amplifier right now, but it is all the way up on the, again, transmitter, whatever you want to call it. So this is what it sounds like. Again, hopefully it sounds pretty good. All right, so I'm going to turn this big microphone off, and now I'm going to switch to the smaller one, also known as the one that you put in your pocket, or you put the transmitter in your pocket, and I'm going to go and see how this sounds. Alright, so this is what this little small one sounds like. One thing that I do notice is that it's actually seems to be a little bit louder. I don't know why, but it is. Anyways, so this is what it sounds like. Again, does sound pretty good in my opinion. Uh-oh, what's going on there? I think that's my fault. Anyways, you can see, does sound pretty good in my opinion. So there you are. That's what both of them sound like. I'm going to go ahead and turn this one off, and I'll go in the clip. All right, so there, that one is off. You can see both of them are off now. So that's what it sounds like. I'm going to go ahead and, I guess, go in and bring my camera back to where I record my videos and go ahead and give you guys my final opinions. All right, so overall, what do I think of this microphone system? I think this thing is actually pretty good. Now, again, like I mentioned previously in this video, I have reviewed a Phenyx Pro product before. It was their mixer. That was, I would say, about 7 videos or so ago. And I was pretty impressed with that mixer. And I'm also pretty impressed with this microphone system. Phenyx Pro, I'm pretty sure they just make really good products for a pretty affordable price, because so far, again, the mixer, very good quality, it worked great. And same thing with this one, very good quality, and it works just fine. Everything sounds good. Both microphones sound great in my opinion. Again, the camera was closer to a speaker than I was, so it might have been even better on camera than it was from what I was hearing. But anyways, does sound pretty good. And again, with this microphone system, I like all that it comes with. The transmitter here, the little microphone that you just clip to your shirt, or clip it to wherever, I guess. This big microphone, really like this thing, feels very solid, very sturdy. As far as I could tell, the entire thing is made out of metal, except for this part right here. So very well built, and so is this thing here. It's all plastic, but it does feel pretty dang solid. Again, doesn't feel cheap, or if you drop it, it's just gonna shatter. You know, feels very nice, very premium. And also, again, I like that it comes with this cord here. This is to go into the back of here on the microphone system. I would assume into like a mixer or something like that, which they do sell once again. And I also like that it comes with the headset here that you just plug into, I would believe that the transmitter. I'm not exactly sure, but that's what I'm pretty sure that goes into. Anyway, so really like it comes with all these different things. So definitely is a pretty full-on microphone system for a very affordable price. And again, looks very good. Everything seems very nice quality. So yeah, there it is. I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.